Now we are going to demonstrate how to test a DC micromotor with a non-contact frictionless sensor. We have a holding device for the motor which has a location to place the motor, a place to put in the sensor, and to control the XYZ axis. Now we're going to see how to place the sensor inside of the holding device. We carefully insert it in place, and on the bottom we tighten the screw to fasten it in place. Next, we will show you how to place the motor. First of all, we place the shaft adapter on the shaft of the motor carefully. We tighten the screw we place the motor in a special holding device, and we place it inside of the holding device. We tighten both screws. After the motor is placed inside of the holding device, we need to verify that the motor is held firmly in place. We see that the motor is held firmly. We verify also that the shaft rotates freely. Now we need to bring the sensor towards the motor, but we need to verify that the shaft adapter itself does not touch the sensor while it's running. Once it's in place, we're ready to test it. On the main screen of the MotorLab kit, we select Test, which brings us the test parameter screen. Here we do the selection of all the parameters needed for testing the motor. First we choose motor type of sensor, moment of inertia, free run. We choose which test we want to run. We can choose all of them by right clicking and selecting all. Acceleration time, we choose the shunt. The shunt matches the number on the front of the panel of the power analyzer. Control box, speed spectrum, start from RPM. We click start. After we press start, the motor starts to run. You can see it running. And after the motor stops, in a few seconds, we will see the results on the screen. Here we see the curves, torque speed, torque current, speed current, power in, power out, efficiency, speed volt, time speed, dynamic torque speed, friction, back EMF, speed spectrum, torque spectrum, friction spectrum, cogging torque.